next key feature of eInteract that I would like to show you is the back-to-back purchase orders. So back-to-back purchase orders are automatically created and linked back to the original sales order when you approve that sales order. That can be a drop ship or special order. The difference being a drop ship is sent directly from distribution direct to your end customer, or special order will bring those items into your warehouse, maybe for some configuration work before you then ship to the customer. Special bids and special deals are supported via our EDI purchase order link. So there's extra fields been added to enter that information. And again, there's no rekeying information. This reduces mistakes and really saves time. You can also link back through by clicking a hyperlink from the purchase order back to the original sales order and then back through to the quote, so all the transactions start to be nicely linked together. And again, there's an optional purchase order approval workflow which we can put in place should you wish to control your purchasing in that manner. So let's take a look at the software. So here's our sales order that we created in our last video, and at the moment it's at a pending approval status. And we can see it was created from quote 300, and I can click and open that into a new tab, and it will actually go off and open that quote record for me that's now marked as processed, but you can see that's linked together nicely there. And also we can come down here and look at the lines. We see it's our CN31 Targus laptop case, and we chose to buy it from West Coast, and we said, well, we want to create a drop shipment here on the purchase order as opposed to a special purchase order. So if we needed to change the supplier at this time, we could do, but I'm just going to go ahead and say I'm happy, I'm going to approve that sales order. Now NetSuite will go off, mark this sales order as approved, and it will also automatically generate that purchase order for us and give it back to us in this form. So there we go, PO 606 has been generated, and if I just pop that open, we can just go and have a look at the purchase order. There it is, purchase order been generated for West Coast. We haven't yet submitted it by our EDI link. We'll do that in the next video, but there it is generated, and that's going to go off, and the shipping address is set correctly to ship to IT Electric. As it knows, it's a drop ship purchase order. So just to recap very quickly, the purchase orders are automatically created and linked back to the originating sales order without having to rekey any information, so it really gives you good consistency of data and prevents mistakes being made. Hopefully makes the purchasing team's lives somewhat easier. If you'd like any further information about our eInteract solution for IT resellers, please get in touch with us using the contact information shown on the screen.